So our first set of launches is going to be hand launching. With hand launching, what you want to do is make sure that your surfaces are set primarily to neutral. You'll want to do a couple of runs where you actually feel what the aircraft is doing as you hold it over your head. That's particularly important because you'll be able to tell if your control surfaces are balanced or not. For example, in my particular case, I had to trim slightly to the right, because the aircraft I could feel was wanting to pull towards the left, was wanting to roll left. Once you've got that set, then you can do your hand launching. My recommendation is that you actually give yourself some space, do a kind of a run up, and then when you throw it at about a 20-25 degree angle. You do not want to cause the aircraft to stall. So you want to make sure that you send it at an angle about 30 degrees, something like that. And then of course the person that's controlling, which would not be the thrower, can then take over from there, particularly running with the ailerons and the elevator, but you may need to touch up the rudder if your control surfaces are slightly imbalanced. We've thrown this now a few times and it's had a chance to balance it, so it's actually in pretty good shape. You can see by the nose. Had a few little cracks, but it's good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do a more significant throw. This is a stronger throw, probably something you do third or fourth or fifth time after you know your control surfaces are feeling good. And then I'll go ahead and bring it all the way into a landing somewhere out there on our grass. Control surfaces. We're good. Good. All right. And that's all we got.